Asteroid AI provides users with a browser agent that they can control. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and the first prompt I'm actually going to give is conduct extensive market research and macroeconomic research to provide me with a 250 word page result about the current state of the crypto markets. So let's say 250 word result, or better still, report about the current state of the crypto markets. Okay, cool, and let's click create. So what I actually want to do is edit the agent and take a look. So we've actually got access to this agent in here. Now this is something we can tweak. So this is the main agent node. Now if you want to give it particular kind of tools, this is what you can do. You can change the temperature as well, which is basically a measure of how wild or creative the responses will be. So higher temperatures tend to be more creative, but also have a higher propensity for hallucinations, whereas lower temperatures tend to be more deterministic and result in repeatable outputs. Cool, so we've got all of this stuff here, but I'm actually going to keep it quite simple. I'm just going to leave it here. I'm going to click run agent. Then let's go with run. Okay, great. So we can see what the browser agent is doing. So navigate it to CoinDesk and CoinGecko. If I want, I can click this and actually enable interaction and start interacting with the page, I believe. Okay, you can also see it's actually taking some snapshots for analysis. Okay, great. And now I've got the report. I can see the final answer. I can see its reasoning and its result. I can even play back exactly what it did. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Throughout the entire research process, and I can speed that up as well. I think if I go over here, I press play, I should be able to see exactly which websites the agent went to, what it actually managed to research. Okay, it seems like maybe there's an issue with the playback, but in any case, this has been pretty decent response. Okay, cool. I've got some pieces of information there as well. I can see the final answer, which is written here. As of August 2025, crypto market is experiencing a period of high volatility marked by a recent sharp pullback. Okay, good stuff. Then I've got some macroeconomic figures here for me as well. So definitely try this out. I think this is quite an interesting agent. There's definitely a lot of use cases it could fulfill, and maybe you've got one in mind. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.